Hello, Sandra here. Thanks for joining me today. I've got a really simple card for you today for coffee lovers. Now you can make this into a birthday card if you want or for another occasion, but it's definitely coffee themed. Now the reason I'm showing you how I'm doing this card isn't because it's difficult to put together. You can do it in about a minute and a half, but because I wanted to show you how I actually set it up to do the print and cut for this. So what this is the bottom part of an A4 sheet, and I did the print and cut with the coffee cup and the hearts up here and my text in the correct place down in the bottom right hand corner of the page. I put my registration marks only around the heart and the hearts I should say and the coffee cup, and then I sent it to print. So I have my registration marks around here, so my Juliet could pick them up quite happily, and I simply used a paper trimmer to take the rest of the paper off because this is my card base. So one piece of card, virtually no effort to put together. So it's simply a case of folding your card in half and positioning this as you want it. I'm going to be using some foam tape to do this. So I'm just going to stick some strips of tape on here. This being a demo version, I'm not fussed if I don't have tape all over the back. If you're going to send it through the post and you're concerned it might get squashed, what I often do is do an interior offset of the complete design and then just cut it out craft foam. You know, you could angle it if you want to. If you're going to angle it, you might want to angle the text as well, but you can do that if you wish. But I am going to angle this, I prefer it that way. So the bit that takes the longest is probably going to be getting the backing tape off of my foam tape. I just smudged my print. I'll try and sort that out later. I must have some oils on my fingers that I didn't realise I've got there. Just a bit of annoyance. What I'll do is I'll give the ink time to dry off a bit more, and then I'll go in with an eraser and gently erase the bits off that I want to remove. Yeah, put that one that way. And I'm just going to put some tiny little dots of glue, like so. And then I've got some little decorative bits here, which I think were designed for nail art, something like that. So they're very, very small. I'm just going to pick up some random colours. I apologise for the light conditions. I've got sun coming in directly from the window in front of me. And if I have my blind up, I'll get blinded and I won't be able to do anything much. Okay, that's it. I'll see you again soon. Take care now.